By the way guys, I would just like to make this clear about this post that I have shared. Earlier, I already told you about it. Kasi it has been a norm, especially sa mga foreman or sa lahat ng gumagawa ng mga bahay. Sinasabi nila na okay lang yan kasi bahay lang naman yan. So ito yung isa sa mga resulta. So I have heard that this is a housing na pinagawa ng isang NGO in Bugo na nag-collapse during the earthquake. So yun na nga ang sinasabi ko. Kadalasan na gumagawa ng bahay, they take it lightly pag gumagawa ng bahay. Sinasabi nila na okay lang yan, bahay lang yan, mga tao lang ang tumitira dyan. Meaning, binibigyan nila ng importansya yung mga buildings. But how about the houses? Again, your house should be the safest place on earth. Kasi dyan tayo umuwi, nagpapahinga together with our family. So, if you are building your house, please make sure, or if you are building a house as a contractor, please make sure to follow the plan, to follow the building code, to do the right construction methodology. Please lang, make the houses or the homes the safest place on earth. God bless guys.